The roar of nostalgia meets the power of today. Two icons. Two legacies. One battle. The Honda CB1100 EX and the Kawasaki Z900RS, both paying homage to their legendary ancestors while embracing modern-day performance. But here's the real question: which one deserves a spot in your garage? Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which neo-retro masterpiece is the one for you. 1. Heritage and Legacy, the soul behind the machine, 90s. These bikes aren't just machines, they are time machines, carrying decades of motorcycle heritage. The Honda CB1100 EX is the spiritual successor to the legendary CB750, the bike that revolutionized motorcycling in the 70s. Classic round headlamp, chrome accents, and a no-nonsense air-cooled inline-4 engine. Pure old-school charm. On the other side, the Kawasaki Z900RS resurrects the DNA of the original Z1, a motorcycle that dominated the streets with its power and attitude. With a teardrop fuel tank, iconic ducktail rear, and bold stance, it screams heritage with a modern growl. But heritage is just the beginning. What happens when these legends meet the present? Let's dive in. 2. Engine and power, old school look, modern day punch. 90s. Classic looks aside, these bikes pack a serious punch. The Honda CB1100 EX stays true to its roots with a 1,140 cubic centimeters air-cooled inline-4, delivering 88 horsepower and 68 lb-ft of torque. Smooth, predictable, and the kind of power delivery that makes every ride feel timeless. But the Z900RS? It's a different beast. Under that vintage skin, it hides a 948 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4, pumping out a thrilling 111 horsepower and 73 lb-ft of torque. It's faster, more aggressive, and gives you an instant adrenaline rush when you twist that throttle. So, do you want a soulful cruiser or a rev-hungry street fighter? Let's find out more. 3. Riding comfort and ergonomics, who wins the long ride? Let's talk about comfort, because style means nothing if your back is screaming after an hour's ride. The CB1100 EX is built for relaxation. A wide, cushy seat, upright handlebars, and a relaxed foot peg position make it an all-day companion. The Z900RS? Sportier. A slightly aggressive seating position and firmer suspension make it exciting on twisty roads but may not be as forgiving on longer journeys. So, are you after a laid-back road trip or an exhilarating street ride? Up next, let's talk about handling. For handling and ride quality, mastering the streets. In the corners, the CB1100 EX is smooth and predictable, with its steel double cradle frame and plush suspension. But its weight, at nearly 562 pounds, makes it more of a cruiser than a canyon carver. Meanwhile, the Z900RS, at 474 pounds, is noticeably lighter and more nimble. With its trellis frame, upgraded suspension, and modern electronics, it carves through corners like a pro. If you love smooth highway cruising, the CB1100 EX is your call. But if spirited riding is in your blood, the Z900RS will keep your pulse racing. Still torn? Wait till you hear about the features and tech. 5. Features and technology, old school look, modern brains. Don't let the vintage looks fool you, these bikes pack modern tech. The Honda CB1100 EX keeps it simple: ABS, classic analog dials, and a hint of modern refinement. No ride modes. No traction control. Just you and the road. But the Z900RS? Traction control, assist and slipper clutch, LED lights, and a digital analog display, giving you the best of both worlds. Old school purity or modern convenience? Your call. 6. The price tag, is it worth it? Both bikes scream premium, but they don't cost the same. The Honda CB1100 EX, with its handcrafted feel and air-cooled charm, comes at around $12,000. Meanwhile, the Z900RS, with all its tech and performance, starts at $11,700. So, do you go for classic craftsmanship or modern refinement? Two legends. Two different personalities. The Honda CB1100 EX, a soulful time capsule, perfect for riders who crave smooth, nostalgic rides. The Kawasaki Z900RS, a rebel, packed with adrenaline and modern edge. Which one wins? That's up to you. Tell us in the comments, Team CB1100 EX or Team Z900RS? And if you love high-end bikes and ultimate comparisons, hit that subscribe button, because we have even bigger battles coming your way.